Welcome to the new Santa Cruz CORE mobile app. Download the app today in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store today. With this app, you can book appointments, get reminders, track your progress, and get special discounts by booking via this app only. Here is a quick tutorial of the mobile app to help you. Let us know if you have any questions at santacruzcore.com. Here are the times and dates to choose from. Let's see, like chiropractic. Simply select the date and time you want and see it with our doctors. Book the appointment in the app and be sure to select the best location for you personally, Santa Cruz or Watsonville. When you select the location, it would change the services per location, such as personal training. You will see a variety of services to choose from. Select the service and see the dates and times available. Try a fitness assessment. Choose the date and time that is best for you. Want to view your past services? Click My Purchases. See your list of services with dates and track your monthly spending. Rate and review your practitioner. Share your experiences. Use 1 through 5 stars for feedback and add a comment to highlight what you experienced firsthand. Click the menu and the website to learn more about all of our services, our staff, and locations. Use the lightning bolt to message us via the Facebook Messenger app. Click a service to see what initial offers or special rates are available to you. Some restrictions may apply. Switch locations to Santa Cruz. It's our flagship headquarters location, and book an initial wellness consultation. Just find the ideal date and time and book the appointment. Download the Santa Cruz CORE apps in your Apple and Google Play Store today. Contact us if you have any questions at 831-425-9500 or visit santacruzcore.com/app. Remember, it's often the start that stops most people, so get started today.